And the Shalom Beauty Essential Choice Award goes to candidate number 2.
Our next special award is brought to you by Proximity and Beauty and Wellness. The Mario Health Choice Award goes to candidate number 20. Our next special award is brought to you by a brand known for bold style. And the Brandon Clothing Incorporated Choice Award goes to again,
The Expressive Catholic Choice Award is given to the candidate who embodies calm, confidence, inviting personality, and effortless charm. It's you, candidate number